Yeah, guys, the city came and turned off my water and I had all this stuff in my head. All right, well, y'all know that we have been doing protective styles. Because if you all like this hair piece, for some of you all, it's not gonna be long enough. My hair is set underneath and on the sides the way I like to wear my hair. If you want to push the scarf back and have, your afro puff more to the back, you can. Believe it or not, this is 7 ponytails. Protective styles, quick and easy. Y'all been seeing them styles and y'all been loving it. But I also want y'all to take care of y'all hair along the way. Now I show you all how to style y'all hair, and I tell you to take your hair down every night if you can, and to let your hair breathe. Now we use different products on our hair like gels and things of that nature, but when it comes down to washing your hair, I want to tell you what I do. I have a hair routine that y'all can follow, but we are going to take care of our hair while we are styling our hair at the same time. I have just gotten out of the shower and I have washed my hair with my sulfate-free shampoo. Now, I'm not advertising any specific shampoo. As long as it's sulfate-free, that is more gentler on your hair, okay? So I just washed my hair with a sulfate-free shampoo. Now, the treatment that I am going to give my scalp, because we already cleansed our hair, right? Our hair is clean. So I'm giving my scalp a treatment, and this is apple cider vinegar with mothers and water. Now, in a video that I made for you all, I showed y'all the concoctions, and in that concoction video, I showed you the ratios of how I mix this. Now, we do a lot of treatments for our hair, and you have to decide what treatment you're going to put on your hair. This is one of them that I love. And I have a lot that I love, but they are all on that concoction video. I'm telling you. And when I do my hair like this, because I'm spraying my scalp, because our hair is clean, I don't do anything to my hair or put anything on my hair but wrap my hair up for like maybe 3 to 4 days after I do this treatment. Now I am going to spray my whole scalp with this, and I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes. I'm not going to put a bag or anything on like that. I'm just making sure that this is getting to my scalp. Now, I'm reading you all's comments, and I have some subscribers that says that they are experiencing thinning. They get alopecia. I have talked to you all about, is it non-scarring alopecia? Find out what form of alopecia you have or form of female baldness that you have. Go to a dermatologist and find out if your hair will grow back or what is your next step. There's a lot of things that you can try. I know y'all heard that loud noise coming out of my faucets. Now, while I am in here spraying my hair with my hair treatment, the city is out there turning off the water for the whole entire block. I had to wash my hair with bottled water. There's a lot of things that you can try, and there's a lot of things that I do for my hair. Like, because my hair is going to be like this, I am going to set my hair to whereas the sun, my hair will be exposed to the sun. And I also take my vitamin D supplements. That's so important, guys. That is so important. So I am rubbing this in. I am going to keep this in for 20 minutes. I'm not going to cover it or anything. So when you all are experiencing hair loss and things like that, just really pay attention to what's going on with your hair, whether it's thinning, if it's thinning in one spot or if it's thinning all over. Like I said, I would go to a dermatologist, find out what they say, and then I would, which you should be doing this all along, is making sure your vitamin D levels are in the right spot, okay? There are a lot of things that could be going on while your hair is thinning. I have told you all this before in different videos. So I do have a hair routine, and one of the things that I want to share with you that I know works is tapping, especially if you're thinning in a certain area. And I have shared this with you all before. You want to put your hands behind your ears like this, and then you just want to tap. You want to tap, you want to hang upside down and tap as well, because you're getting blood to that area. And make sure that you do this on a regular basis. Make sure you do it on a regular basis. And then you want to move that scalp around. Y'all see me moving my scalp around? When you're standing up, you want to hang upside down and do the tapping and moving your scalp around. And I'm telling you, don't give up on that. A lot of times we want things to work instantly, and they don't. You have to give it a chance to work. So now my hair is sprayed. If I want, I can go watch TV and just be tapping and massaging my head. And just make that part of your routine, especially if you are experiencing hair loss or your hair is thinning. You want to try everything, and this is free. Okay, guys? So I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what conditioner I am going to put on my hair once I wash this out. Okay? While I'm gone, hit that comment, like, subscribe, and share button, and I'm going to see you in 20 minutes. So guys, we keep it real over here on this channel, right? Now I done sprayed all of this apple cider vinegar with Mother's in my hair and water. And the city done came, working on the street, turned off the water. Yeah, guys, the city came and turned off my water, and I had all this stuff in my head. I had to take like 10 of these waters, guys, and rinse out my hair, okay? To make sure that all the apple cider vinegar and water was out of my hair. Got my microfiber mitt here. Remember I told y'all that this is really more gentle on your hair than a towel. So I dries my hair with the microfiber mitt. Okay. What I am going to do is leave in a hydrating, conditioner. Okay. This is a can 2 spray on leave-in hydrating conditioner. And we're going to rub that in very well. And then I'm going to show you what I am going to use to put the moisture back in my hair. So now I have my 14-in-1 Miracle Worker. Now y'all know I have this, how it comes, and y'all know I also dilute it because this is thick. After I wash my hair, I use it undiluted. Yes. Yeah, I use it undiluted. This is a miracle worker. I thought it was BS, but whether I comb my hair back, let my hair curl up on its own, this is what I do. Now I showed you my 2 bottles of Hawaiian silk. One is diluted with water and one is just the way it comes in the bottle. I use the one the way it comes in the bottle because it's really, really thick. And I'm telling you, it showed up really thick on my hair, but that puts the moisture back on my hair sooner than later. I'm gonna let it absorb in my hair. This is how thick it is. That's why I be diluting it, guys. I'm telling you. But right after I wash my hair, this is a lot. I'm gonna let my hair drink it up though. Forget it. I'm gonna let it drink it up. And I'm just going to walk around the house and yard and clean up. I sure am. Because I really want to get that vitamin D to my scalp. Well, I am not going to hold you all day. I just want to come by here and show you what I do on wash days. It is very important for us to cleanse our scalp. And it's up to you on how often you wash your hair, co-wash your hair, or rinse your hair out. Learn your hair, learn what your hair needs. And I'm telling you, it will react. It will react one way or the other, all right? Well, you all have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below any concerns you may have about your hair or anything that I did not address in this video. Y'all already know that I am going to answer you back. Also, I have another channel that I would love for you all to go and support as well. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, we do everything else from shopping, home decor, facials, weight loss, everything else I love to do is over there. So let me know that you came from Regina TV over there to Regina's Way. And thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share over there as well. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. Happy holidays. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.